Hello, do you know the square root of 121? Okay, so this number. If you don't, that's great. Stick around because we're about to tell you. Okay, square roots are really simple. All it means is what number do you times by itself to make that number. So what number do you times by itself to make 121? Let's have a go. So 9 times 9. Does that equal 121? No. What about 12 times 12? It's a bit bigger. No, that equals 144. Not that one. Okay, let's go a little bit smaller. 11 times 11. Does that equal 121? Yes, it does. Well done. Okay, so the square root of 121 must be 11, because that's the number that you times by itself to make 121. All right, use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!